Okay, we should be all paired up now. Welcome back to another video here on Anth.Tech, and in this video I'm taking a look at how I edit my audio, and I use Adobe Audition. So go ahead and jump right into it. So now when it comes to my audio gear, I have two different microphones. One of them is right here, which also you're currently listening to me off of, which is a Sennheiser MKE600, and then my other one is right here, which is the Blue Yeti Blackout Edition. Now that microphone I use mainly for voiceovers, and then the shotgun microphone I mainly use when I'm shooting with the camera, like right now. Now this shotgun microphone is plugged directly into my Zoom H1 audio recorder, and it keeps everything stabilized. Now from there I import it into Adobe Audition, and that's how I edit my audio. So now right now the audio you're listening to is unedited and coming straight out of the Zoom H1. And then right now you're listening to the audio with the effects, and you were listening to that before. But right now, as you can tell, the effects did make a pretty big difference. And now some people say video is more important or audio is more important to making a great video, or vice versa. Now for me, I prefer really good video and really good audio, and both of those combine to make a great video. So let's go and hop into Adobe Audition. That way I can show you guys how to edit your audio. Now even if you have a pretty bad microphone, I'm sure you make it sound really good with either Audacity, which is a free audio editing program, or like mine, Adobe Audition. Let's go ahead and hop right into the computer. So here we are in Adobe Audition, and here's my audio clip selected. Now, right now, as you can see, each audio level is right around -15 decibel, and that's where you want to be, and that's going to be your sweet spot. So now from here, I'm going to go ahead and just select any clip right here, and then I'm going to go to Effects, Filter and EQ, and then first we're going to start off with 20 bands of graphic equalizer. Now I'm going to go ahead and mess with the ones on the end, and each voice is going to be different. So if you want to pause this, you can kind of see my numbers that I use, and if you want to use that for your own video, go ahead and do that. But each voice is going to be different, and I'm going to go ahead and say apply. So as you can see, it did a little bit. Now from here, we're going to go back up to effects, and then we're going to go filter and EQ, and now we're going to run the parametric equalizer. Now this right here is going to bring up the bass in my voice. I'm playing a little clip right here. As you can see, the blue line I have conformed, which is also all right here in their decibel rating and also their hertz. This right here is going to confirm the audio. That way everything is good. So I'm going to go ahead and say apply. And again, each voice is going to be different. So kind of tune it how you like for your own. So from there, we're going to go back up to effects. And then now we're going to go to amplitude and compression. And from here, we're going to run the single band compressor. So now from here, we're going to go 0 dB threshold, 12 for the ratio, attack at 0 milliseconds, release at 100 milliseconds, and output gain, just leave it at 0. Now this is going to be really good. Now we're going to say apply. So now our audio is 100% perfect. Now as you can tell, it's at -15, which is not that good. So now everything is selected. We're going to use the little decibel wheel, and from here, we're going to bring it all the way up to right about -3. Now as you can see, some of these are peaking, like this one right here. We're going to click on this, zoom in, and bring it down. That way everything looks the same. And there we go, there's our brand new audio. So now as you can tell, there's going to be a slight little hiss in there. Now from that, all you got to do is select this right here, and then go ahead and just mute all this. That's going to be the hiss, and also your breathing by switching between sentences. So now you're also going to notice some background noise and hiss, and that's going to be this little thing right here. And that's going to be kind of when you're breathing in between each sentence. So you can go ahead and just select that and drag each one down to 0. That way you don't hear that in the video. And there we go, there was our perfect audio with 0 hissing and 0 breathing between each sentence. And there it is, all perfect, and it's perfect waveform and all special effects applied. So that's how easy it was to do, and now it's going to sound much better. So now that I've just showed you how to perfect your audio in Adobe Audition, it was really easy to do and really quick to do, and as you can tell, it makes really big differences and just makes your video sound a lot better. So now, like I said before, if you have good video quality from your camera and good audio quality, both of those combined definitely do make a great video. So that's going to wrap up my video here on how to edit the audio. If you're not already subscribed to the channel here at Anth.Tech, please do that as it really helps out. And also don't forget to subscribe to the premium subscriber membership, which is on my channel. I'll leave that link down below, and I'll take you into my website, and that will register you, that we can get enrolled in the program. And for just $2 a month, that will get you special content, that will get you early videos and paid only content But if you use code YouTube, that will get you your first month for free. So I think it's a really good deal. And if you're not already doing that, I really recommend you doing that. Let's wrap up the video. And as always, stay classy.